Hey everyone, welcome to Pure CSS Knowledge Exchange. In this video, I am here with International Essay Contest by GoAP's Foundation Japan. So let's get started. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe. To get information focused on technology, innovation, computer engineering, free events, free certification, and much more, also don't forget to like our Facebook page. You can find the link in the description. In future also a lot of international competition we will share for all the talented candidates. Recently International Essay Contest has been opened by GoAP's Foundation. In this annual competition, policy makers, scholars, general public, diplomats, activists and students can participate. GoAP's announced theme, What is Life for 2021? GoAP's foundation aims to sustainable development and peace in the world. In this competition young minds gets the opportunity to express views and dedication towards the positive change in society. Participants holding a specialized field will encourage to apply in order to show how they can make a difference in the community to their area of interest. In this way, participants will be able to inspire the panel and show their responsibility as a community member. This International Essay Contest by GoAP's Foundation will be endorsed by the Ministry of Education, Culture, Sports, Science and Technology of Japan, Japanese National Commission for UNESCO, Japan Private High School Federation, Tokyo Metropolitan Board of Education, Japan Broadcasting Corporation and Nikkei Inc. 3 prizes will awarded to winners, that would be $900 for the first winner, $450 for the second winner. Third prize will be certificate and gift to the 5 entrants. And 25 participants will be honorably mentioned. So, this contest will be organized by GoAP's Foundation with the theme, What is Life? The award ceremony will be taking place online. Now let's check about the benefits of this essay contest. As I told you, get cash prizes and awards too. Now let's talk about the eligibility criteria of International Essay Contest. Candidates from all around the globe can apply. A candidate must be from 14 to 25 years of age while applying for this competition. Essay must be 700 words or less in order to qualify. However, your name and essay title are excluded from the word count. A candidate must submit the essay either in PDF format or Word file. In the word count limit, a candidate's name and title of the essay will not be included. Now how to apply? You need to visit the official website of GoAP's Foundation and apply online. You need to register with them and submit your essay and submit your form. Essay received by email or post will not be considered. Essay should not be published before. One candidate can submit only one essay. The last date for this essay contest is June 15 of 2021. We also advise you read the detailed instructions on official website and participate. First you need to read the guidelines and register yourself, then you need to proceed with the application form, which is very simple. Just enter your first name, middle name and last name. Then choose your category. Select your age, gender, nationality, and enter the name of your school. And then you have some account information, which includes some address information, city, state, zip code, region, email, and password. So just fill in the information and click on submit. After submit you will get the screen to upload your essay in Word or PDF file. I hope you find this video helpful. If you like this video, give a thumbs up, and don't forget to follow us on social media. Thanks for watching, and subscribe to our channel so that you never miss any update.